So now we will be using URI params to determine which class our max is in. So max is done with exams and the results are out, and according to the marks we will check which class our max is in. So if I pass 60, it means max is in first class. If I pass 75, max is in distinction class. And if I pass anything other than that, I want to tell the max that we are not sure about your class. Okay, so I have already changed the label of the transform message, and also I have done the setting of URI params over here. Okay, so we will go and write some code. So attributes dot URI params dot id match is like the switch case we want, and the first case is this we are doing because we want to match exact the same thing. So if I'm matching 60, then here also it will match 60. Literal match is used for that only, and we will say max is in first class. Sorry about that. We will say if max got 75 marks, so like max is in distinction, and else if anything is there except these two values, then we are not sure of class. Okay, so now I will save it, and it is already in the running mode. So we will go to ARC and we will check what is the output. So here I have my get method. Now I'm passing, suppose I'm passing 75, what output I'll get? Max is in distinction here. Now I will pass 60. Now max is in first class. There is our output. If I'll pass anything like that, so suppose 55, and we are not sure of the class. So like by using this example, we can we have demonstrated the use of match in DataWeave. Thank you.